Welcome to my channel Swiftlearn. This tutorial I will show how to create setup file in C# Windows Form application with access database .accdb or .mdb file.
If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.
Okay, let's see how to do this. Just click on start menu, all program, and now I'm gonna create an access database. In that case, first of all I expand the Microsoft Office and click on access 2013. Select the location. My location is the main desktop main folder, and write the database name employeedb.accdb. Just click on OK. My database name is created. Just click on create to create the database. Yes, my database is created. Now I'm going to create a table. Right click and click on design view. Just add the table name. My table name is a employee underscore info underscore tab. Click on OK. Yes, the table is created. Now I'm gonna creating column in the table. Employee id is default, so I just renamed it as employee id data type is number, name, data type is short text. Noted that to get all the access database tutorial, go to the link in the description box below. Address is long text, age is short number, age is number, because age is 30 year, 20 year, 36 year, as whatever. Sex is short text because it's only 3 to 4 characters, sex male or female. Open the table, and now I'm gonna create some records so that I can display you and use create setup file and install it in a different computer. You can understand whether it's working or not, whether this database is created automatically in the different computer when you install or not. So now let's see how to do this. I just added 2 records in this table, and now I just close this database. And yes, let's check in this location desktop main folder. The database is already created. Now I start Visual Studio, new project, and click on Windows Form application. Name the Windows Form application. First of all, select the location where you wanna save your application. D-access with C# tutorial folder. I just saved my this application in D-access with C# tutorial folder with the name setup with accdb tutorial. Just click on OK. Yes, my my application is created. Okay, now I'm gonna design this form. First of all, add a label control from the toolbox, and this label control I'll use as title of this form. Go to the property. Yes, load employee info, and size is 18. Yes, now it's looking like title. Change the back color of this form so that it's looking perfectly. Yes, green. Yes, now this form is nice. I just add button control. Change the text of this button. Load. The font size of this text of the button suggest 15. Now it's looking nice. Okay, now add a data grid view. Yes, this is the data grid view control. This is the data grid view control and form as well. Okay, now go to the button click event. Yes, this is the button click event. In this click event, I will write code to display data from access database to data grid view in C# Windows Form application. Add, right click, add existing item. And the desktop, the database is in the desktop main folder. Yes, main. click on file all type. Yes, now you can see all file displayed. Just select the employee db.accdb file, click on add. Yes, dataset. Yes, you can also include the dataset as well. Expand, select the table because I have only table in the database. If you have view, you can select view also. Okay, now my database is added. Yes, see that employee.accdb also created, and dataset also created. Okay, now go to the server explorer. Yes, employee db.accdb added automatically in server explorer. If you don't have server explorer, you can edit it from view menu. Okay, table is employee info tab. See that employee db.accdb and employee db.accdb in the server explorer. Open. I have added two records and it's displaying here. Okay, now write code to display these records in the data grid view. First of all, OleDB connection. Okay, OleDB connection con equal to new OleDB connection. To connect OleDB connection used to connect access database with your application, such Windows Form application. You should add namespace using system.data.oldb. Yes, now I should add connection string. To get connection string, just you can get this connection string from the web ffconfig file. This is the connection string. Also OLDB data choose directory, and you can see employeedb.accdb. This is the connection string. Just paste it the connection string in the OLDB connection. Now open the connection con.open. OLDB command cmd equal to new OLDB command. My command is this button. I am just displaying how to load record from Access database to data grid view in C# Windows Form application. In that case, my command is select star from employee underscore info underscore tab. You can see in the server explorer my table name is employee underscore info underscore tab. This is my table name. Yes. Okay, my command is created. Now OLEDB data adapter, OLEDB data reader rd equal to cmd dot execute reader. Okay, now at a data table dt equal to new data table. dt dot load rd. Okay, now data grid view on the data choose equal to dt. Okay, my code is completed. Now just debug to see what happened. Unrecognized namespace. Oh, sorry, I have a little mistake. Yes, see that there is a single backslash. You know, in the C# .NET you cannot use single backslash. If you wanna use single backslash, you should use at the rate in the beginning of this double quotation. Just put at the rate, then it will solved. Yes, now this error is solved. Okay, just debug. Yes, it's debugging. Load. Yes, and oh, sorry, execute reader connection property has not been initialized. Oh, I wrongly forget to initialize the connection property. Just initialize the connection in the OLDB command con. Yes, sometimes I keep error so that you can understand how to solve any error. Okay, just click on load. Yes, it's displaying perfectly. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna show how to insert a record. I'm gonna design this form to insert record, so that I thought if I only display records in the data grid view from the access database, you cannot understand perfectly whether it's working in the different computer after getting setup file, after publishing it, and after installing in different computer, whether it's working or not live. In that case, I will insert some record in the, after installing in different computer, then I will demonstrate you whether it's working or not. In that case, I am just designing this form to insert records. And instantly it will load in the data grid view, and then it will insert these records in the access database. Okay, so my table column is id, name, address, age, and sex. In that case, I have added 5 level control, and I will add text box and text box control to insert records. id, text box 2 name, and text box 3 age, and text box combo box 1 for sex. Okay, now change the text of this level control. id, name, address, age, and sex. Okay, now add a button control. This button control I will use to insert records in access database using C# form application. Text is 8. Okay, this is the button click event. I will write code to insert records in the access database. First of all, I'm gonna copy some code from the previous button click event, because of I don't want to expand this video too much. Okay, now I just say this command. My connection string is same and database is same. That's why my command is this button I will use to insert records in the access database. So my command is insert into employee underscore info underscore tab, and values are mpid, name, address, age, and sex. Okay, first column is empid, and empid will prompt textbooks1.text. Yes, and name from textbooks 2, and address textbooks 3, age textbooks 4. I just copy paste, reducing time. Noted that name is textbooks 2, it is text type is string type, so no need to convert it to integer. And address is also same string type, so textbooks 3.text. And finally textbooks 4.text, this is age, and age is number type, so you must convert it to integer. And finally sex is from combo box 1.text, it's in string type, so no need to convert it to integer or number. Okay, sex is male and female. There is 2 sex I just added in the male and female. Okay, now my command is created. Now cmd dot execute non-query. Finally add a message after successfully inserted, then it will display a message. In that case, add a message box dot show successfully inserted or edit. Oh sorry, wrongly mistake, emp. Okay, employee info type. Okay, it's done. Now I'm just adding third record. I already have 2 record, and this is the third record. 103, name Simon, address Canada, age 26 and sex male. Okay, add and click on load. Yes, 103 Simon Canada, it's also added. There are two options. If you want to use this application in different PC, just copy the debug folder and paste it in the other PC. Run your application name file. All the records will be stored and attached in .accdb file. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Right click and click on open folder in Windows Explorer. See that this is your application. Open the bin folder. Yes, see that this is the location. In the debug, all the database and the other supporting application exe file also here in the debug folder. Just copy this debug folder and you can paste it in different computer, and then you can use only using the bin folder without creating setup file. Now I'm gonna paste this debug folder in my share folder. My share folder is project host folder, and here I'm gonna create a new folder, setup project. This folder name is setup project, and in this folder I just paste this debug folder. And now I'm going to show how to use this debug and then .exe file in different computer. This is the demo. I just accessing with different PC. I'm just using the money procurement PC, and I'm accessing this PC using remote in demo. Click on OK. Yes, this is different PC, it's not my PC, and in this PC I will show how to use debug folder in different PC and how it's working with database.accdb. Now go to the network. This is my network, and go to the my PC name is Roshan PC. Yes, project host, you can see that folder setup project. Yes, this is the debug folder what I copied, and now I'm gonna copy this folder, setup project folder, and paste it in this computer. Paste. Yes, it's copied. It's still copying. Please wait. Yes. Now open the folder, open the debug folder, and just to run the exe setup with accdb tutorial.exe. Yes, just open this exe file. Now click on load. Yes, all the records are displaying in this application. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more records. ID 104, name Ronnie, address UK, age 26, and sex male. Click on add. Yes, it's successfully added. This is one option. Without creating setup file, without installing in different computer, you can use it. And see that when you reopen this application, you can see what access was the record you inserted. It will display and it will be stored. Okay, once again check once again. Yes, it's working, but see that this is the employee DB, this is the database, and all the records are stored in this database. Now I'm gonna create a folder in this desktop to create setup file, and my setup file will be created in this folder. My folder name is setup file of SSDB project. This is my main concept of how to create setup file with attaching access database in C# Form application. This is my main concept. Okay, go to the property, publish folder, just click on open. Yes, in this folder I will publish my application. the application is available offline as well. Yes, just select this option. The application is available offline as well. Okay, application file, click on application file. My application file is accdb. In the employee.accdb you must select data file. This is default selection is include auto. You must select data file. If you select data file, it will create a setup file with access database. And prerequisites Microsoft.NET Framework for client profile. Must select Microsoft.NET Framework for client profile and Windows installer 3.1 and 4.1. Okay, in the below option, download prerequisite from the component vendor's website, download prerequisite from the same location as my application. You must select download prerequisites from the same location as my application. If you select this option, it will prerequisites will add in your application, and when you install it different computer, it will install from this application. Okay, click on option. In this option you can add description, publisher name, site name, product name, error URL, support URL. My publisher name is Swiftland, and site name, no need to site name, I just keep it blank. Product name is setup with accdb test. Okay, error URL, just finally click OK. Yes, now click on publish wizard. This is the location what I already selected. See, admin desktop, setup file of accdb project. Next, here you can see three options: from web, from UNC, from CD or DVD. You can see I just select from a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM. Next, now you can see the application will check for update. If you select check for update, you can use update, and then installer can get the update. I just select the application will not check for update. Next, yes, now just click on finish. First of all, open the folder where it will create, it will be created. Okay, this is the location, setup file of accdb project, and if you click on finish, this application will be created in this folder, in this location. Just see consciously. Yes, the application is created. The application file, .NET file, Windows installer file, alternative, and setup.exe as well. All the files are added in your setup application folder. Okay, now I'm gonna install this application in my computer. Yes, it's installed very easily. Just click load. Yes, all the records are displaying in this from the access database. Okay, I'm gonna add one more records: 104 Rani China 26 is 26 and 6 is Mel. Successfully added. Just click on load. Yes, it's displaying perfectly. Okay, I'll install this application in another PC. What I have shown you how to use the debug folder in different PCs, I'm just showing you. You can use pen drive or any other drive. I'm using network drive. What I have already shown you how to use debugging folder using network drive, then I have shown in different computer. Okay, this is my application. Now I'm gonna accessing in different computer. Yes, this is the different computer, Monir procurement PC name. Okay, in this PC I will install the application what I have created just now. I've created the setup project with access database, and I'll install this project application in this computer. Okay, in that case I'm just accessing network. My network is IT admin, because this is client PC. He don't have authentication to install any application, that's why. Okay, now my PC name is Roshan PC, and my share folder is project host folder, and in this folder setup file for of accdb project. Just copy this folder and paste in the desktop. Okay, now open the file, install this application in this computer. Yes, and double click to install. It's installing, please wait. Yes, now click on install. Yes, it's installed and opened. Click on load. Yes, records are displaying. Now I'm gonna adding one more records, 104, name Ronnie, address Canada, age 24, sex male. Yes, click on load. Yes, these records also inserted in the access database and displaying the data view. To get the data file, just copy the employeedb.accdb file. This is to back up the database. Just okay, employeedb.accdb.deploy. Okay, now just click on enter to get the database. After installing this application, where you can get this database, just see to index. Yes, you can see employeedb.accdb here and employeedb.accdb deploy. Just copy, you can copy this database. This is the location where the database is stored. Okay, and I'm going to show this location. See, user money procurement FFE data F 2.0 data and org whatever. And this location you can this is the default location where the database is stored when you install this application in